Hello friends, let's go and have some fun with the magic mask in the color page of DaVinci Resolve Studio. First we select our clip and then we go to the color page. In the color page we have here our magic mask. You see it here. And in our magic mask tool we have the object mode and the person mode. And since a dog is an object, yes, I know we don't like to call our dogs objects, but they are. We go with the object mode. It's important to have a frame where there is little to no obstruction of the object that we want to track. I think we can start with this one for this example. We make sure that we have the eyedropper tool with the plus sign selected, and I like to draw a line crisscross over the entire object just to make sure. Maybe I have OCD, I don't know, but I like it that way, just to make sure that I really have that object selected. We toggle on our mask overlay, and when the mask overlay shows our object selected, then we see that we have made a really good job here. I also see that we have here a little bit selected of an area that we don't want necessarily have selected. In this case we can choose the eyedropper tool with the minus, but we also can just hold the Alt key, what will have the same effect. And in this case we go over the area that we want to exclude, and there we have it. Now it's important to realize that we are not at the beginning of our clip, so we have to track in both directions here from the center to the left and to the right, and therefore we choose our back and forth tracker. Otherwise we could just go with back or forwards, but here we click on this. You see that for the quality I chose faster for this example. The better option gives, of course, a better result. And we see that it could have been better. So now for this example, it's okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Let's toggle off our overlay. Keep in mind that we can invert our mask. Let's toggle it on again for a moment. And this is important to remember. We can invert the mask. I want to make some changes in the color grade, but I don't want to do it in the same node. Therefore, I hit Alt plus S, and then I connect the output of our node with the magic mask to the input of our node where we want to do the color grade. And here I can, for example, make our dog black and white, while the rest stays in color. We can of course go back and invert the mask, and then we have the dog in color, the rest is black and white. You see that our selection had also the arm of that human in it, but I think you get the gist of it. So this is how the magic mask works in object mode. I will do another one in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Have fun with the videos in this playlist. Consider subscribing. Goodbye.